What would you do if I tell you that this water might have uranium and arsenic in solution and you might not be able to see it? Would you be worried about it? I guess the answer is yes. Me too. Good morning, everyone. My name is Isabel Meza, and I will present you how we can know if uranium and arsenic are in water using solubility and thermodynamic measurements. But first of all, a little bit of background. There are over than 500 abandoned uranium mine sites in southwestern United States. And it has been found that several have water illegal sources throughout the whole Navajo Nation. Specifically, thinking about our research group with Dr. Jose Cerrato, we have found high concentrations of uranium and arsenic that are above the maximum contaminant levels allowed by the Environmental Protection Agency. So, considering these high concentrations that we have found in the Jackpile mine that is 30 minutes away from Albuquerque, we think that we might form uranyl arsenates. And then is where my research started. I began to look for deeper information, to measurements that let me know how soluble or insoluble uranyl arsenates are in water, and I couldn't find much. So I did my homework and I found out a way to get these measurements. The first step is to get a pure uranyl arsenate, and I did that 1 year ago with collaboration of the University of Notre Dame in Indiana. The second step is to do solubility experiments. That is basically to get this pure uranyl arsenate, put it in water, and let it dissolve in time. For my experiment, it took 31 days in order to get to equilibrium. With this information, we can do some geochemistry equations and get to our third step, which is to get the solubility and thermodynamic measurements. And that's it, just like that, just like magic, because research is about magic, right? We can get solubility and thermodynamic measurements, which can finally let us predict how uranium and arsenic can mobilize in water, and as an ultimate goal, to have safe drinking water for you and for me. Thank you very much for your attention.